Songbird.
This is a Sound Coins presentation.
I'm like a Jackson, I've just stepped it, soon I'm taking over. I go see foes, it's over, blowing minds and brains all over. Roll over, BITCH and rap your grapes, it's over. Christ over this and over that, WHO is over. Now you all know that kings don't know, but keys to the crowns are keys to the pounds. These kids on porn, I'm rapping hip-hop, dingo up, just drop your mic, it's over. I'm spitting hot bars, mukandipali quite to be colder. My bricks na molder, ndikuda say hip, my hopes are over. I'm hip-hop and my hip-hop, tell your less if you wanna keep up. Brothers hip hop, you gotta sit up, no sit-ups. Every studio I've been in, I get big ups. On the speed with my sick pops and sick ups. Mudenga my chest eye, like Messiah. They look up to me like yes I, my fake side. I'll be burning like fire, I'm on fire, I'm on fire. Shots fired, I'm not tired. I'm me no must go liars, no powers, you're liars. So biased, more pliers to be applied to the game. Cause it's all arch, waste your weight, get more dryers. For your grace I got some raw flowers that take me rough rider. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know I'm king of kings. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know what I mean. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know I'm big, I'm king. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know I'm big, I'm big.
This rapper spitting shit. Moment to pepper tissues. It's better under shit. Or end up having issues. They can't handle my shit. My shit just hits on miss too. Bleaching up all this game. It's like I put your mess up. Leeching up on my lace. Hey, guess this shit drastico. Itchings you always great. This shit just fantastico. Teachings you always take. I'll pack it up on miss you. Chichi the energy great. I'm love like Despacito. Revisit oh. I'm epic in hip hop. I'm a mentor. I'm breaking bones. No kindness in my game. I'm sending more to hospitals. I put my brains on deck like a thing. Remarkable. I'll speak it out. I'm flames. I'm the coal. I'm volcano. Menu. Hardcore. Paper pen. I alone. I'll line up dead bodies. The combination inferno. I fear no man. If you know me, Onis. I'm a seafood. Just like seafood, I'm delicious. So
I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know I'm king of kings. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know what I mean. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know I'm big, I'm king. I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know
I'm big, I'm big. Just check my life from beginning. There's been some things I've been skipping. There's still some things I'm still keeping. Kingpin, big wig, I'm still captain. Do check this balance I maintain. Get reflexes and the snake brain. You can dedicate this assessing pain every second. I'm steaming, I'm standing, startling and stinging like sticking a big thing in a vision. To begin like screaming, inflicting pain and division. Depiction barely vivid and fiction is friction. Description is hip hop now. Wait, check the speed acceleration. Everybody did it on the beat, they be speeding. I can feel it like I'm deadly quick decision. I just speeding, always speeding, they be speeding like a breathing on my breath. And better zip it, the exhibit, exceeding on say city song, say as it is often speeches to conquer feelings and the pickings of our beliefs. I believe there will be no diabetes, no sugar, second chances. Time for big things, for a big wristwatch. Me in a big large TikTok for the big sex, the big text, check precautions. Whether relaxing, better realize it. Got realizing I'm a real icon, I'm a real life beast, I'm a low play zone. Go K19 to K19, this passion being my real
I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know
I'm king of kings.
I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know
what I mean.
I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know
I'm big, I'm king.
I know hip-hop clown, need a hip-hop and I know
I'm big, I'm big.